makeup, you're gonna slay.
You were on. That's not great. I look good, so let's go.
Zara Zam. We are going out for lunch.
Now you know us from the ceiling.
Second bottle.
I want you understand that. So excited about this.
Take a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take a chance.
I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract deal, no maybe. In the meantime,
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Thank you for telling me. I won't make that mistake.
Bayakula, madam.
Mistake.
Madam takes it out. Bayakula. Morning. Zithandwa Zam and Jana. Hope you guys are good. Yesterday I went for an installation. I did tell you. I went for an installation and we couldn't finish because I had to rush to pick up Liam. So I thought I was gonna like do my makeup and then go finish it off, but I'm super scared because look at the glue on my face, also on the forehead. There's some glue and there should be makeup there. Oh my goodness, the lighting. So I think I'm just gonna go there, fix my hair, and then come back and do my makeup because I'm just gonna do a lot of things. No lashes, just a simple look. So yeah, hi you guys. If you're new here, my name is Mrs. N. Welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. And also, if you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back for yet another vlog. So today I was supposed to go on a breakfast date with a friend of mine, but she got held up by umsebenzi. I was gonna do a solo date. Angazi ukuthi nenzani kuma solo date, but namhlanje bengiya ku solo date because I was like, my mind was already made up with I'm going out, you know. So yeah, I was gonna go out either way alone because my husband is also busy to join me. So I went on Instagram and a homie of mine was live. So she was like, when are you taking me out for lunch or anything? I was like, tomorrow. And when it was but akadlali-ke. Ulunto is coming, joining me for this lunch. I'm super excited, but yeah, I'll see you guys when we go to fix my hair. But umuntu uni client lango 8 and she's very slow, so by 10 I should be there. Then we'll fix my hair and then I'll be good to go. I love you guys so much. I'll see you. Look,
I wanna contract deal, no maybe. In the meantime, it's the meantime.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's the meantime.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's the meantime.
makeup, you're gonna slay.
Ngiba on. Mina ngifuna installation. Hi you guys, Zithandwa Zam. So I'm back, done with my installation. I did not pay for this installation because she was not satisfied ngomsebenzi wakhe, but ngazama ukumnika nje okuncane nje good product ke, you know, because we do have a lot of glue esele la. I think ikwenze na ukuthi I left yesterday kwamosheke yebo, and then kwaba ne glue ephuma kwalifu kwaphuma nyana la my side in, and then makafika mina afaka iglue enye, so zange kusaba right, so she was not satisfied at all. Ngazama ukumnika wala wathi ngcono ngibuyi, but I'm done with my installation. I'm gonna start with my face. It's almost 12 o'clock. I'm just gonna do like little touch-ups nje ukuthi ngibe nice. The lady I'm having lunch with is on her way usuke with bank, so let me quickly do my makeup and then I will see you when we are getting ready. I love you guys so much. I hate the fact whenever I come here, I'm always late. I just put a lip liner. I'm gonna get a lip gloss somewhere. I hope I get it before I leave because it's not in my makeup bag, so I don't know where it is. And I have a lot of them, but I can't find any. So you guys, my guest, who's my guest? No, my date is downstairs waiting for me. So I'm really gonna do this very quickly. Gonna get dressed with you guys, but this is a shirt dress from Zara that I bought not so long ago. Okay. I'm going to use these fragrances. Gabrielle from Chanel and Gorgeous from Michael Kors. And then this Guess Sexy Skin Solar Warmth. These are all the fragrances I'm gonna use. And these are the earrings of the day. My lips look so crazy.
Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, cause that's on the road, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie, cause they won't tell.
These are the shoes I'm gonna be wearing from Forever New. What? These are Puma Louis. This comb, I need to go with it because iyararana I double drone. Hi bo. Finally, I am going to take my Jimmy shoe bag with me today. I'm taking her out for a spin because I only use it once. At the time I think it was my husband's birthday. That was the last time I ever took this baby out for a spin. So so yeah, I don't know if I wanna have it like this. Or hold it like this. Oh, I think I'm gonna hold it like this because it's so cute. Let me show you. It's so cute like this. I smell great and I look good, so let's go. Yeah, suka madoda. Angiyala ngizokuvula mina. Suka madoda.
Mara wakingathi ngishiza zalami kwakho nje.
Ulifakile.
Ngifakile. Because sifuna ukuzinstola yazi.
Yeah,
Mina vela
Mara
sosiyeli nuna kimi.
ngisho siyasiyele.
For vet bank account basho usuke vet bank. The lighting is so bright.
Uyayibona man.
Ooh, lighting ngiyofetera.
Zara Zam.
We are going out for lunch.
It was supposed to be breakfast guys.
Yeah, but someone time management issues. But hey, singoba nangumuhle kusomthelela ngoba muhle.
Siyabonga nkasa
Dwelekile nokishiya. So if bengalidebana
wrong.
awalisirong.
Wrong cool.
Hawo ngiliboni mina umuhle khulu.
Ngiyathokoza.
Hawo umuhle khulu cala mase uyadliwa. Ngithola na.
Bona ngesikini sihle ne?
Yangisho ngiyahlamba.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed even my heart.
Yes, come on. Basi hebu smoke about TikTok.
I'm so hungry.
No, mina guess only the makusa in the coffee.
I didn't even.
I
do want to mess up my appetite.
Yeah, I was strong there. Very strong.
But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I wonder when I see my light. Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
This is the Choo.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together.
Listen.
My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but you, baby. I can do it sooner. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it on.
all my guys, them know me. Since 06, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, yeah, see that way, believe I do the word I'm saying. Yeah, nobody will give over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy that they buy? That's how they move the shit out. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was that she got.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm low, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for life.
Second bottle.
So tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment hold you for life.
She's cute.
Don't
1
Give me this time. No way.
Ngumseli.
No way.
How I want you. Hi, Litabo. Hi, Litabo.
Shopping center.
How are you? Are you good? Mom's on the journey. Hi, you guys. So we are back, but we're gonna take a walk right now.
I'm still here. In case you were wondering.
Yeah, so Kayla.
No, bengasi, vele.
Exactly my point. So we're gonna take a walk and just talk to Nandi because we do not have enough time. So yeah, I'll
It
say
can
that.
never be enough with this motherhood thing going on. Badala, skhulile, stick bus engine.
Yay!
And now we are here.
In those nengi. So we're having one. I'm also a little tipsy, so I'm gonna come and
You don't even look tipsy.
Really?
So
So I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow.
we'll talk to them whilst we're taking a walk.
A walk?
We'll try.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
So
try.
if that does not happen, I will talk to you guys tomorrow because I don't believe we're gonna talk to you while we're walking because I mean that was cool Julie
But at least we'll show our toes. No,
Okay.
Mandy. Something.
toes. I agree. Toes, yeah.
Yes.
Ooh.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.
Is there still something? Abangafuni nokudlula mara niyadakwa yo.
Ivuliwe.
Uyivula ngubani?
Ah, my restaurant lay outdoors.
Licele nje vele liqede. Sidakwa ndina. Sidakwa ndina. Sidakwa sompaka. Yeah, yo. Hi you guys, Zithandwa Zam. I hope you guys are good. It's the next day after the lunch. I was super tired. I think we just had too much to drink. So I was so tired. My body was like do. So it's 1 o'clock now and I am here to say hi. We are back. We had so much fun. So much fun. I enjoyed Uluntu so much. Yo, sibesihleli kamnandi. Isikhathi saba sincane ngoba umuntu nabantwana. We had to come back to London to and then, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to come. I'm actually gonna close this vlog here. I thought I was gonna go do some shopping with you guys, but I am gonna open another one immediately after closing this one because I feel like it's gonna be too long. I have put it Google CapCut already and yati 32 minutes. I think that's more than enough considering good things as a final clip. Give a live vlog and also I have an unboxing to do with you guys. Yokala, it's this. This is my first okay, this is my first unboxing with you guys. Nale engitokile happened. I really love them, and also as a because right now my hair it's not nice. So they're very cheap. I bought them Shein. Shein. I think it's Shein. So ngiphathisa umuntu because I'm I don't know, I'm just not a fan of online shopping. I don't know why. But I'm not a fan of online shopping. Zara. I'm a very traditional shopper. Online it's not my thing. So ngiphathisa someone, they're very cheap. I hate mentioning prices, but they were 28 rand, 32 rand. Angeke ilimaze umuntu le prices. So yeah, it's 4 of them. Kunala black. Kunala black. And kunala amanye angazi uthini, and then there's green. Bese la light two aphumena lengigcokile right now. I really do love them. So there's another unboxing that I'm very excited about. It needs me to put my mic here. Okay. I'm so excited. Guys, I am so excited. I'm very excited about this. Wait. So yeah, let's see what's inside. I already know what's inside, so oh shit. If you know, you know. What? Okay. Guys, I love this bag. What? I got this bag from the bag lady, Ugabi, bag lady. Yeah, I would just put the handle on the side. What? Guys, look at this bag. The texture. What? It's so nice. It's exactly the way it looks from the pictures. So I guess they put this inside to see ihlale shape. I'm not gonna lose it. What? So it does not come with a strip or anything? Or is it somewhere here? No, nothing. But in a look, ungati bekumele kube ne strip, but I love it. I love. Guys, I received this I think a week ago, but it had to wait until, but because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I'm super excited about this, and I'm obsessed ngama Becca Gold of late and gold shoes. I love labosisa batoka, your gold shoes, gold bag. I love it. Thank you so much, baby. So yeah, plug. I will post their handle on the side. So yeah, you guys, I am gonna close this vlog right here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for your love. Continue showing me love. Continue watching my videos, engaging. I really do appreciate that a lot. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, notification button, so whenever I post, you're the first one to see. And also, please, I beg, do not skip the ads. Please, please, please do not skip the ads. I don't know what. Yeah, I love you. I'll see you on another one.
Where was you